Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Quite a nice sunny day here. Today we're just going to be trimming out the base of the Chamerops here, which will come around here so we can get it sort of out of the focus of the sun. Just come on and have a look. So you can kind of see underneath here, guys, there's lots of the, almost what you call pups or whichever coming off the base. Now Chamerops do typically send out a load of kind of, plants off of the base. I typically on this one will trim it up, again really just to show off the triple trunk here in the middle. Now as you can see, guys, I have left this growing over the winter, again really just to provide that little bit of extra protection. You can see where it was chopped on the leaf before, but what we're going to do today is just go around, trim all these out, and then give you a little look at what that looks like. Alright guys, so as you saw through the time lapse, removed a lot of the small fronds coming up here. Now underneath here, guys, you can see fairly clean kind of triple trunk. Again, really just kind of like to show off the kind of size of these trunks. Now this particular one here, guys, this is probably, say, maybe 18 inches diameter. This one's probably slightly smaller at about 16. Trunk wise, I'd say this one is approaching sort of 2.5 foot, while this is nearing on 3 foot now. Again, these are very slow growing plants. You're going to find, compared to say like the Trachycarpus fortunei, trunk wise, you may only be a few inches a year in peak growth. Again, this is a very old plant, was in the garden before I moved in. I suspect this to be somewhere in the order of about 40 to 50 years old at the present, knowing the length of time the person who owned the garden before me had it. But with that said, guys, just really wanted to show you just a little bit of a kind of, how we're trimming those up. Again, the kind of end result here, we'll just come around to the front. And it does, from this angle, guys, of course you can't really see, it does look clumped, very similar to most Chamerops. But with this one here, guys, now if you look underneath, again, we can kind of see those trunks and everything there. But of course, guys, thank you for watching. And with that said, of course, if you have not subscribed, certainly feel free to do so. Join our amazing community. And with that said, we'll see you on the next one.